Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications in the TR application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the two lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the account and settings button, and then click on the privacy settings button, and then just scroll down, and at the marketing communications section click on the white circle next to the push notifications button, and once it turned blue, it is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.